explore the 2025 Honda CR-V, a compact SUV that has established itself as a leader in the automotive market. Let's dive in and see what this latest model brings to the table. The 2025 CR-V boasts a more assertive and rugged design compared to its predecessor. The front fascia features a wider, more aggressive grille accompanied by sharp LED headlights. The sculpted hood and pronounced character lines give the CR-V a confident stance, striking a balance between sportiness and practicality. The CR-V's side profile showcases its spaciousness, with a strong shoulder line and large windows. The black cladding around the wheel arches and side skirts enhances the SUV's rugged appeal, while the rear design is clean and functional, featuring LED taillights that provide excellent visibility. A roof spoiler adds a sporty touch while contributing to aerodynamic efficiency. Upon entering the CR-V, you're greeted by a spacious and modern cabin that exudes style and functionality. The driver-oriented cockpit features a digital instrument cluster and a large, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system. Premium materials are used throughout the cabin, elevating the overall experience. Key features include a wireless charging pad, a premium audio system with crisp sound quality, and ample storage compartments. The CR-V offers generous legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, ensuring comfort for everyone on board. Cargo space is impressive, with flexible seating configurations to accommodate various cargo needs. Under the hood, the 2025 CR-V offers a choice of efficient engines, including a hybrid option for enhanced fuel economy. The ride is comfortable and composed, thanks to the well-tuned suspension. The CR-V handles with precision and confidence, making it a pleasure to drive on both city streets and highways. Whether you're commuting to work, embarking on a family road trip, or venturing off the beaten path, the CR-V delivers a confident and enjoyable driving experience. The available all-wheel drive system provides added traction and stability in challenging conditions. The 2025 Honda CR-V is a versatile SUV that seamlessly blends practicality with style, offering a spacious and comfortable interior, advanced technology features, and impressive fuel efficiency. Whether you're a young family, an active individual, or simply someone who values a reliable and capable vehicle, the CR-V is worth considering. Advanced technology and safety features, fuel-efficient engine options, versatile cargo space, and a rugged and stylish exterior make the CR-V a strong contender in the compact SUV segment. Honda has once again delivered a compelling package of features, performance, and value. If you're in the market for a well-rounded SUV, be sure to check out the CR-V. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content.